It's the beginner Locksmith, and I want to talk about whether the Teenager Pro is ass or not. Stay tuned. So why am I making this video? I'm making this video because there's this one comment that got me thinking. He was talking about how the Teenager Pro was decent for him, and it programmed the dry guard and some other stuff, and I'm like, okay, fair enough. I can't negate the experience. It's been a while since I used it. I used it once recently before, to do a parameter reset on a Ford 4C chip. I don't remember exactly what it's like a Mustang, early Mustangs, and it just kept on crashing. But I thought I'd give it last week I'd give it a shot. I pulled it out and started using it, and so far it's been okay. It programmed a Hyundai Sonata remote. It programmed I think it's Chevy Caprice 2015 remote, and it programmed it when my Auto K100 failed on a Chevy Corvette 2019. This did program the key, but it didn't pull a pin. I do want to note that I've actually already had the pin because of the K100, but it didn't program. So I guess with the combined efforts, so I'm not that impressed. It hasn't done anything super impressive, but it is at least the very least programming keys. So yeah, I decided to make this video to start showcasing its strengths and weaknesses. So I'm gonna run a little experiment. For the month of November, I'm gonna make this my main key programmer, so I can see its strengths and weaknesses, and so can you. So far, the majority of the time I've had this, it's only shown me its weaknesses. But like I said, last week I started using it, and it hasn't done anything impressive, but it has program keys. So for this month of November, I'm gonna make this my main key programmer. I'm gonna program 2 times without Wi-Fi and 2 times with Wi-Fi if it fails without Wi-Fi. Because one of the strengths of the machine is supposed to be it doesn't necessarily need Wi-Fi, and that could be a good thing. Because sometimes you don't always get good signal in certain areas, depending on where you're at. My current version is version 1.56. And yeah, so that's how I'm gonna run my experiment. Honda Accord 2014. Ignition key. It's add a key. So this is the customer's key. He's a previous customer. Now I'm adding him another source key because he liked them so much. Now let's get started using the Teenager Pro. So the added key was successful. Okay, already have it on with the warning key. Inserting the new key. It did. There was one. I didn't catch it, but there was one. And I have Wi-Fi on right now, actually, so. go. $65.23. Okay. Key learning. Place on pro. Okay. Oh, I'm using Ilko lookalike for the key. Okay, so let's see. There we go. Car starts with the Ilko lookalike. Buttons seem to work. Yeah, so I guess top down 60 this time. Dodge Ram 1500 2016. So doing all keys also shit in Nissan Maxima 2002. Let's see. Using a key with an OEM chip. Let's see. As you can see, it's not programmed. There's a security light right there. Okay.
FYI guys, if you hear something in the background, it's the customer watching YouTube while I'm doing all this. Anyway, just want to say that.
I'm sure this would taste similar. These are my official predictions for the AFC playoff picture heading into week 15 of the NFL season. Coming in at my number 7.
Immobilizer system. Okay, so blade key learning. Okay, so already did that. It looks like the security light's already out, so okay. Perfect. All keys lost on using an OEM chip, 4D60 Nissan Maxima 2002. So my final thoughts on the Teenager Pro. I want to start by saying I like the look. It looks cool, you know, but that's all it does. It looks cool. As you can see with the handful of vehicles I did with it, it was not really impressive. It doesn't do anything impressively. It literally I wish I could have gotten more chances to use it. There are just other times I couldn't really film. It wasn't convenient to film or whatever. But yeah, I mean, it does Honda's an accurate spine, but so does the K100. So does the Keto Max Pro. I've never, you know, it's whatever's, you know. I haven't really gotten a chance to use it on Fords. It did that Dream vehicle, but that Corvette one that one time, but it didn't read the pin, so it's something else. It did a Nissan ignition key. A 4D chip, as you guys saw earlier in the video. Subaru, for example, I did a Subaru recently, and it can't reset a smart box, while the K100 can. You know, this is the thing. This is twice the size. You think for twice the size, you know, it'd be able to do more. But nope. It's very unimpressive. And it doesn't really have anything strengths. It just has weaknesses, loads of weaknesses. It's weak on Toyotas. It's weak on Subarus. You know, I can't. The one good thing is when I first got this, it seemed like a total block, a total brick. It wasn't programming anything. At least, at the very least, it can at least program keys now. But yeah, I can't recommend this at all. The T-Darts is also kind of a, like, why did I get this? It's a useless machine. Like, if they can somehow make a clone, that'd be, like, clone stuff, that'd be cool, you know? But it doesn't clone anything. You know, it's very impressive, you know. I haven't really got to use it often because, well, the Keto Max Pro and all these other things blow out of the water. You know, yeah, I can read some keys, and that's pretty much it. Oops. Well, I didn't have anything in there, but yeah. You know, this combo is unimpressive. This duo right here, a very unimpressive machine. So, to answer your question, is this machine ass or not? It's definitely ass. Thanks for watching, guys.